What it do, YouTube? Sorry if I hurt your ears, but yeah, we back with another one, man. If you watched the video, last car video, it was in Memphis, heading back to the Ville. We back in the Ville. It's rainy, so a little rainy day vlog. But yeah, man, started my journey today. 30 days straight of live stream. Just left a lounge. Edit 4 videos in there. Oh, you know me, I hate red lights. I do the dash till the police catch my, yeah. But yeah, man, I edit 4 videos while in there. Now I just gotta publish them to Instagram. Not Instagram, YouTube. But yeah, I'm doing 30 days live stream for a couple of hours every day, 2 to 4 hours a day. And only 2 hour a day I think I have is Tuesday, just because of what I have to do on Tuesdays. But, you know, it could pop out to be like, yeah, go and do your routine and just forget what you normally do on Tuesday. But right now, or I just have to start live stream early on Tuesday to get to 4 hours. But I'm doing earlier streams on, well, I'm doing an early stream that's coming up Friday just because I have something to do that night. And then after that, I'll be on my normal schedule on Fridays. But this first Friday, I just got a obligation that's would interfere with the normal time stream, but I can do it a little earlier and get it knocked out. So, you know, if I plan it right, get home around 1:32, take a nap, wake up by 4, get the live stream started. I need reaction clips. That's why I really need to find stuff to react to. That's why I did today. I need to get in the left lane. These roads where you can barely see the white line. But yeah, I'm really just proud of myself with this journey and just want to keep on pushing and just see where it can go. I've been, doing my research, studying, even joined a group for a month. Got what I needed, I feel like. It's a long process, and it's like the money it costs, I didn't really feel like I was getting the value out of it. I was about to do another month, and I said, yeah, maybe just not the timing's right. There was only one thing I kind of seen value in, and that was like the business, part. But it was like I'm not there yet for the business because I don't have what I am into. I can't really sell unless I go into basketball training. And like, you could sell basketball training, but it's like you have to, one, become the guru of something in basketball, and then market the training after you establish yourself as a guru. It's like Lethal Shooter. He became a guru of shooting. What is it? Chris Matthew, just basketball training. And I need y'all to go. Like, in the wrong lane. That's why I waited, because I knew they weren't going to do right. Like, people got in the wrong lane, just go to the same lane they were supposed to be in the first place. But yeah, That's the only thing with being a basketball trainer. You have to get established. And then it's like you got a market free program and then paid and et cetera, et cetera. But yeah, it's a art to it. But I was like, well, my main stuff is car channel. It's like, teach me the business how to get sponsored instead of selling the membership. Like that's what it was mainly teaching, like how to sell a membership. And it's like, well, I'm not in it to do that. If that makes sense. Like the person who's over this program, they didn't really start with a membership. What happened was they got hurt and they couldn't do their normal content, so they created an academy to teach people how to do YouTube. So, yeah, like he's selling memberships, but it's like he's teaching people how to be a YouTuber. And like that's what my whole thing was. And it's like, well, it's another way to make money. And it's like, yeah, it's cool. And I was like, but how do I become? It's like most of the knowledge I got was not about YouTube. It was the behind the scenes for somebody who manage a YouTuber type thing. Like, how do you help market their stuff, make a percentage off of their stuff? And it's like, but I thought this was supposed to help me become a bigger YouTuber. But it's like, it's only certain people that teach you how to do that. And the person I was most connected to was, it was funny because it was like, registered for a free 15-minute call. And I thought it was with somebody with the team. But it was like, y'all help me with the business person. And it's like, his YouTube is not as big, but he sells memberships on wellness and stuff. So it's like, that's cool. That's cool and all. But I really want to help with getting sponsorships. Like, that's not, and there's nothing wrong with the program. I'm not gonna lie, it's cool. But for me, I really just want in-depth detail on how to get sponsorships. Like I know, like at certain levels, you get people sponsors just asking you directly instead of you asking them first. And it's like, well, help me find the right sponsor for my video. Like, try this person, try this. Woo, woo, woo. Like, I don't even know how, cause I got YouTube supposed to be helping me find brand deals, but I'm really not sure how it is done. Is it just, hey, they select random challenges, send it to sponsors, or what? But no, ad revenue is cool right now, you know. I found a little, you know, it was daylight savings. Yep, it went back an hour. It's now 1 a.m. It was just supposed to be 2. Yeah. I gotta get up early to finish. I might do like the first 2 videos when I get home. Get like the title and description and all that ready. But yeah, I got 4 videos ready and I got 1 more to edit. I might drop 5 videos tomorrow with a live stream for 4 hours. So this probably gonna come out after all that. So this will be like a midnight release. So probably like 5 videos between 8 and 3. And then I don't like, you know, if I did that comment, hey, you did it. If I upload 5 videos tomorrow, I got 4 already edited and just ready to upload. I'm going to upload the first 2 first. Before the other 2, I'm going to upload it. Because it takes longer when you upload multiple videos at one time. Because like YouTube on the phone, it's not focusing on like the first video you upload. It's like it's trying to upload 2 videos with the same amount of power. So it's like it's slowing the process down. So I'm going to just, get the first 2 up. And then hopefully they'll be up before I go to sleep. The first one shouldn't take that long. The second one's a little longer video, so it might take a little longer. But yeah, I'm just blessed to be able to get paid for my content. And it's just reinventing the wheel. Like, what haven't I tried yet? Let's try this 30-day thing. I ain't doing 30 days, 24 hours for 30 days. I'm just doing a couple of hours every day for 30 days. And if it works, I might go through Christmas with it. But it'll be a little different schedule because just my work schedule will change in December. But I was blessed. I don't have to work late any evenings. The only problem with, I be tired and I be wanting to take a nap before streaming. And if I have to work late for a little part of my job duty, it's like once every 2 to 3 weeks you have to work late. But I worked other people's late shift last month, so I don't have any late shifts and late duty shifts in November. So literally every day I can just walk out early. And that's my goal. Like, hey, this is for me. This is my person. I did my time here. I'm not staying extra. Like, y'all got it. So I can go home, take a nap, be up, ready to start my stream. And I'm just, blessed. I've been fully monetized for a full year straight without being demonetized. So my first time getting monetized was partially monetized in May, fully monetized in June. Got demonetized in July. Appealed it. YouTube didn't really check it. So within like 4 minutes of the appeal, they said the appeal is upheld. I was like, y'all didn't check or nothing. I was like, the video that I sent was 2 minutes long, 2 or 3 minutes long. I was like, ain't no way you could have watched the video and looked at my page to see if I'm telling the truth or not. So I ended up finding a way to contact an actual person through YouTube email. And then they came back a week later and at least they came back a week later. It seemed like they looked at it. Not guaranteed they did. But yeah, was demonetized for 3 months. I got remonetized last year on the literally on Homecoming TSU. So I already recording for Homecoming, and my first video being back monetized was my Homecoming video last year. And literally I was eligible to be remonetized at midnight going into Sunday. So Saturday at 12 o'clock midnight, I hit apply for the program again. I was back. By the time I woke up, I was back in the partner program. And I've been there since. And the crazy part about it was the reason why they said, so this is what happened, how I got demonetized. I had a video a video or two that didn't do well. So at that time, I used to delete them. It was YouTube Shorts at that. So I had 2 YouTube Shorts that didn't do well, and I deleted them. Next thing I know, I wake up the next morning, it said something about using other people's content or something. I'm not sure. So I appealed it. And then I talked to the thing said I edited my page. I basically made changes to my page once I was demonetized and tried to appeal it. I was like, no, I deleted them before I got demonetized. But I guess y'all already had in y'all mind y'all was gonna demonetize me. But I didn't know yet. And then I got hit with the consequences for doing what I was doing regardless of what y'all had planned. But, you know, getting back, stronger, better than ever. Ironically, the content I started off doing with YouTube that made me stop, I'm back doing it. And it's been pretty successful as of last year. Like last year I started back doing it. And video I was doing last year did better this year. Like my Madden stuff didn't do well last year, but this year they did very well in my eyes. But that's where we're gonna end the video at tonight. I'm gonna get back to my music on the way home and just vibe out, you know, some ride wave. I feel like, you know, being in my feelings right now. If you know, you know. But I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Godspeed.